If there's an investigation, you're looking at what law may have been violated here. And again, the meeting and what took place at the meeting, based on all the information that you just said, is not a violation of any law, statute, or code. The meeting in and of itself, of course, as I've said before, is not a violation of the law, but I think it's important to understand that as counsel to the president was not aware of the meeting and did not participate in it. Well, I've wondered why the Secret Service, if this was nefarious, why did the Secret Service allow these people in? The president had Secret Service protection at that point. That raised a question with me. When we last talked, you said the president is not under investigation. Is that still your case, and how do you know it to be the case? Well, we've had no notification from the special counsel. Nothing's changed since James Comey said 3 times to the president that he was under investigation. We've had nothing to the contrary since then.
We need to get to the bottom of this, but the only way that we're going to do it is to talk not just to Donald Trump Jr., who has offered to cooperate, for which I give him credit, but to everyone who was at that meeting and who was involved in setting up that meeting. That may be difficult in the case of the Russian nationals, but we certainly ought to try.
I understand the president's frustration when James Comey told him 3 times he's not the target of an investigation, and he wants that made public. But this is not about President Trump. This is about Russia versus the United States, in my view.
I want to hear from everyone in that meeting and get their version of the story, as well as I think we may find out there may have been other meetings as well. We don't know that yet. There seems to be a convenient pattern where all of the senior officials of the Trump campaign forget about their meetings with Russians, don't put it on their forms until evidence comes out, and then they have to amend.
Here you have now evidence in black and white that, yes, the campaign was encouraging the Russians to give them dirt. And the fact that this was done through intermediaries is just how the Russians operate.